Hello and happy Friday, everyone. I hope you're all doing well and gearing up for the weekend ahead. Today, I whipped up a quick video in response to a fellow YouTube user's request. They asked for a rundown on how to measure age using Cameriere's method, and if any of you out there are intrigued, feel free to give the video a share. Now, just a heads up. English isn't my first language. I'm more fluent in German and Croatian, but I'm hoping we can still connect. Before we dive into the short video, let me give a brief intro for those unfamiliar with me. I'm a dentist working on my doctorate, specializing in forensic dental medicine. Fun fact, age estimation can actually be done based on panoramic X-rays. It's pretty accurate for kids, where we can pinpoint age precisely. However, in adults, the variations are a bit wider, so we're talking about estimates rather than exact determinations. Now, onto the main event. In this video, we'll explore how Cameriere's method is applied to an adult patient, someone who's legally of age. Enjoy! I've divided the entire video into 3 steps. First step, the formula. This is the equation I use to determine age using Cameriere's method. Second is the software. I'll walk you through the program I use for age determination in general, not just limited to Cameriere's method. And the third part is measuring age. Here I'll show you the step-by-step process of measuring age within the program. And the best part, it's all completely free. I've already downloaded the OPG program, and I'll be leaving the link in the video description. Afterward, I clicked on File and then Open, where I accessed one of the existing OPGs or orthopentomograms from my X-ray database. For GDPR reasons, I've labeled it as AA as an example, and the OPG is in image format, and in the OPG program, I'll start measuring. Now let's delve into the second step, the measurement process. Initially, I press and hold the control key while using the mouse wheel to zoom in on the targeted tooth, in this instance the upper left canine. Following that, I click on the third icon labeled Polygon Selections and with multiple mouse clicks precisely outline the surface of the tooth pulp. It's crucial to maintain precision during marking and include as many points as possible for an accurate measurement. After outlining the pulp surface, I press the Control key and the letter M for measure. Right away, the program generates a new table displaying a numerical value in the area column. Next, I do the same thing, but measure the whole tooth, including the top part, so the crown, and the bottom part, the root. This provides a comprehensive measurement of the tooth's dimensions. In this example, I've pressed the Control key and the letter M multiple times, just so you can observe how the program consistently measures the surface in this specific software. Again, a quick reminder. Try to be as precise as possible while marking the tooth's surface, because the goal is to get the most accurate age estimate. So, arm yourself with patience. In the final, third step, I measure the Cameriere index by dividing the pulp's surface by the overall tooth surface. What initially confused me were the numbers we get. They don't represent a 1:1 ratio, But that doesn't really matter since we're dealing with proportions, not actual numbers. After measuring the tooth and pulp surfaces, I assess the pulp width and root width at the midpoint of the root length. I do this by clicking on the fifth icon from left to right, labeled straight. Similarly, I obtain ratios between the pulp and root width by pressing Ctrl key and M for measure. To wrap it up, I plug all the obtained numbers into the formula from 2004. It's essential to note that Cameriere has many variations of the original formula, and for this example, I chose the simplest one. I found the formula used in this instance in a systemic review, and I'll provide the link in the video description. After plugging in the numbers, with AR being 0.131 and C being 0.165, we estimate the age to be 22.85 years for the upper maxillary canine, using Cameriere method. To everyone who stuck around till the end of this video, a big thank you. If you're into forensic dental medicine or have suggestions on dental topics, drop your comments below. I hope I've helped you and met your expectations. If so, please share this video with your colleagues. For more dental content and to connect with me on other platforms, check out my Linktree. You'll find all my socials in one place and the link is in the description as well. And as we wrap up, don't forget my mantra. Brush, smile, repeat, because I'm a real dentist giving you real tips. Until next time, take care.